we guide you through how to fix Microsoft Outlook not sending or receiving emails until restart. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure Outlook is not in offline mode by clicking send or receive and checking that work offline is turned off. Then, restart Outlook once to refresh the connection. Next, check your internet connection and confirm Outlook is connected by looking at the status bar at the bottom. After that, go to File, Account Settings again, select your email account, and click Repair to automatically fix common sync and server issues. If emails are still stuck, open Outlook in safe mode by pressing Windows plus R, typing outlook.exe/safe, and see if the issue stops because this usually means an add-in is causing the problem. Then, disable add-ins by going to File, Options, Add-ins, Manage COM, Add-ins, and unchecking unnecessary ones. Also, make sure your Outlook is updated by going to File, Office Account, and clicking Update Now.